this is Nayumi Cee speaking. It's my pleasure to be able to see you on the other side of the screen. So if this is your first time to watch my video, thank you so much for dropping by. And yeah, as you can see from the title, we'll talk about mock haul. So this is gonna be in reference to the two videos I initially posted. So if you haven't watched those, I'll put the link in the description box down below so you can check it before you watch this video or after you watch it. But yeah, I highly suggest if you watch it first because that is where I give you tips as well as sample spills when it comes to the mock call that we will be doing today. So basically, what will happen is that I'll be acting as an agent and as a customer as well. And I will also be giving you tips along the way. So please make sure to follow along and watch this video until the end. And so yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Sample mock call billing inquiry part 3. Scenario: Karen Cloud is calling why her bill went up this month of April from $128.99 last March to $148.99 this month. The customer wants explanation regarding this. Customer's details. Customer's name, Karen Cloud. Account number 987-654-3210. Service address 1234 South Street, Apartment B, Jersey City, New Jersey 02345. Service she has, internet and cable bundle. Company details. Name of the company, ABC Company. Services offered, internet, cable, home phone, home security, and mobile service. What you need to do. Apply the tips I gave in part 1 and 2 of this video. Explain the reason why her bill went up and give different options for her to check the breakdown of her monthly bill. Educate the customer on how to lower down her bill as her main concern is why there is an increase. So this is an extra mile. Disclaimer: this video is intended for you to understand how to resolve a billing issue. This is for educational purpose only. So, all set? Alright, let's get started. Thank you for calling ABC Company. This is Nayumi from Billing Department. Can I have your first and last name, please? Hi, this is Karen. Karen Cloud. Oh, hi, Miss Cloud. How are you doing? Well, I'm fine, thank you. How about yourself? I'm just a little bit frustrated though, as I need something rectified today regarding my bill. I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. It's good to know that you're doing fine today, but I understand that we need to fix the billing concern today. That's why you gave us a call. No worries. You've got the right department and a billing expert who will definitely help you fix it. Oh, perfect. Here's what happened. I just received my bill in the mail today. I was surprised because there has been a huge increase in my bill. You know, we are in a pandemic right now. I'm just in a fixed income and I can't pay this monthly. Could you explain to me why from $128.99 last month, my bill is now $148.99? Oh, I understand that you'd like me to explain why this bill of yours went up $20 this month. No worries, I can surely help you find out the reason why. But before that, allow me to pull up your account first. Can you please provide me your service address along with your account number? Sure. My service address is 1234 Southeast or South Street, Apartment B, Jersey City, New Jersey 02345, and my account number is 987-654-3210. Thank you so much for that details. I already have your account pulled up in front of me. In order for me to better assist you with this, I'll be asking you a few quick questions. Are you comfortable with that? Sure, not a problem. Great. Did you remember making changes on the account last month? Well, I think I've given you guys a call last March 9th because I am now working from home and my kids are doing their homeschooling. So I needed way faster internet than what I had before. Oh yes, Mrs. Cloud, you're right. You gave us a call at that time to upgrade your internet speed. Do you have the copy of your billing statement in front of you? Oh yeah, I now remember everything. And yes, I have my paper bill in front of me. Excellent. Can you please go to page 3 of that said bill? That is where you can see the breakdown of your monthly charges and how we're able to come up with that amount of $148 in your account. Alright, hold on. I'll just put my glasses on. Oh, no problem. Take your time, Mrs. Cloud. Oh, there you go. I now see it. Amazing. So yes, here's what happened. You made changes in your account last March 9, 2021 as you upgraded your internet speed from 200 megabytes per second to 800 megabytes per second. Since you upgraded the speed, there will be a corresponding monthly charge for that, which is $20 more on top of what you were paying before. Therefore, since your monthly balance due before was $128.99, it is now at $148.99. Oh, I see. I just want to clarify everything though, because every single penny counts these days. Oh yeah, as a customer myself, I agree with you when you say that. I actually appreciate you giving us a call today to make sure everything is taken care of. And yes, by the way, just to let you know, you are always welcome to downgrade your internet speed and go back to your original speed at any time if you need, if you no longer need faster internet speed, and it can save you $20 per month. Also, you may check with us from time to time if there are promotions available, as we will definitely offer it to you if ever we have one. Alright, I believe I am all set for now. I appreciate you taking the time and patience explaining my bill to me. I surely will check with you guys maybe a month or two from now if you have promotions available. You're welcome, Mrs. Cloud. So, just a quick recap. We now get everything fixed as we now know the reason why there's an increase in your bill this month and in the coming months. You may also visit our website at www.abccompany.com, as we are also posting available promotions there from time to time. And so yeah, is there anything else that I can possibly help you with today apart from this one? No, everything is fine. My internet speed is working just fine. Thank you so much for your help. Appreciate it. Oh, it's good to hear that everything is working fine now. It's my pleasure to be able to assist you today. I appreciate your kindness to me all throughout the call. Again, this is Nayumi from Billing Department. But by the way, last question. Did we make you a satisfied customer today? Yes, you did. Oh, thank you so much for that. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe. Bye for now. Thank you. You too. Bye-bye. So that is for today's video. I hope you've learned something out of that video. If yes, please make sure to give this video a like, share this video, comment down below. And of course, if you have requests or video requests or suggestions, please make sure to comment it down below as well. And yep, this is Nayumi Cee once again. I'll see you again next time. Bye!